It does look like Robert Vadra is anticipating the report of the Dhingra Commission that was looking into the various land deals concerning Robert Vadra. Well, that report is to be submitted soon. Robert Vadra trying to put up a brave front saying that don't subject me to political witch hunt just because I'm connected with the Gandhi family. It is a family that does politics. That doesn't mean that I as a businessman can't really be doing my work. Why link my work with their politics time and again? And this is nothing but political witch hunt. This must stop. In fact, he's also stepped up his attack against the government because he says that this is nothing but the failure of the NDA and that's the reason why they're coming behind me. He also says that he respects the law, he obeys the law and that law will be taking its due course. In fact, Robert Vadra is breaking his silence over all the controversial land deals, and this is important because this comes just a couple of days after the Chief Minister of Haryana, ML Khattar, had gone on to speak about how Robert Vadra will be in jail for 6 months if anything is proven against him. The Congress even at that point in time had not taken very kindly to these comments made by the Chief Minister of Haryana. Robert Vadra also goes on to talk about not just his controversial land deals but also says that why is there unnecessary spotlight and focus on land deals concerning me or my business firms. There were other deals done around the same time in the same area. They also benefited hugely. And why is that the spotlight is simply on me and not on others? So if this is not witch hunt, then what is really? Apart from the land deals, Robert Vadra importantly again has spoken about the general, what the Congress has been saying, an atmosphere of growing intolerance in the country. He also goes on to speak about that. Interestingly, just want to add that point in, also apologizing to the reporter in question of independent news agency ANI, whom he had questioned when the reporter was asking him a question about the land deal. So Robert Vadra says that I didn't really mean to attack him, but I got agitated. So Robert Vadra also sort of in a way breaking his silence on that controversy as well, apart from the land deals. But like I told you, I think this of course is in anticipation of the report by the Dhingra Commission, which will be submitted soon. The Congress has been attacking the BJP. The winter session of Parliament is just around the corner.
Absolutely.
We do know that the BJP and the Congress often have a slugfest on the issue of Robert Vadra's land deals and how he benefited or how he didn't. And I think Robert Vadra is only trying to put his case forward.